Hi friends, this is Aditi from Jasmine DIY. Today's video is going to be about school. Not just any video about school, about study apps for school. And you don't just have to use these for school. You can even use it in your daily basis. But I'm just going to be showing you guys few apps that help me better in school. Even if you're going virtual or in person, these apps can help you a lot. So let's get into the video. But before we do, remember to subscribe, like, and share. Now let's actually get into the video. The first app is called Wandernotes. This app is actually really helpful. In this app, you can make a daily agenda, you can make notes, you can make a list, or even a mood board. And this app is actually really useful for those of you who need this. And in daily agenda, you can also set a time and date when you want to finish it. And I think this is really helpful, and it has helped me because I actually want to do things and check it out. And I just think when you check a box, it feels good because you feel like you did something. And I really like this app, and I hope you guys might find this app useful. The second app is one of my most favorite apps. It's called Notion. You guys might know this app because it is pretty popular. This app is so aesthetic, and you can make write so many things on this. Like, you can write your reading list, you can write a list, agenda, way more items or things. And I think this app is personally my favorite because, first of all, I already told you that it has so many options. But let's say you're lost and you need something to write about, then this app can tell you it can suggest you a few things you want to write about. So maybe if you're lost in food, it might give you some options of food. We have Study Bunny, and this is actually one of the apps I've seen that a lot of people know about, but this app is actually really helpful. And what it is that when you do something or finish something, then you have a bunny and it gives you a carrot, and the more carrots you collect, the more happier your bunny is, and the more coins you collect, then you can go to the bunny shop and decorate the bunny or the house of the bunny, I think. And this app is actually really helpful. You can make timers on how much you want, and let's say you put a 5-minute timer of doing your work, and if you take no breaks in between, you can get more coins. And I just think this is really helpful for those people who like playing games like this, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people will like this app as well. And I also like this app, so I'm pretty sure you guys will too. Is Khan Academy. This is more of like a study app than like writing down notes or your agenda. And this is an app where you can learn anything you want. So let's say you want to learn science for like 4th grade, you can do it. Any grade and any subject you want, it has it. And the reason why I love this app, and I actually use this app every day, so it's my everyday thing because I have to do extra math, and this is where I do extra math. And my parents really suggest this too because this app, it's not really an app, you can even find it on the computer. It's like a website, and it's free, and it explains you what the concept is, and then it makes you do things, and then after you finish the whole thing, you get to take a test. And even on this, you have STAR Test Prep, so those of you guys who take STAR Test or even big tests in school at the end of the year, this can help you so much. And the person who makes the videos explains it really nicely. And Khan Academy is actually really popular. You can search it up on Google, and it actually has a whole definition of who created and who and when, because this is a really popular app. So I think I'm 100% sure this can help you in your studies.